Why'd you buy the gun the day before you shot somebody? Your thoughts on this expert?
Well, my thought is, Ted, you were right. She's going through what happened and step by step in the morning and getting that in without her taking the stand, which leads me to believe, even though they're saying they're on the fence, whether she's going to take the stand, I don't think she is.
Oh, wow. And she's talking about the defendant being suicidal, Alexis. Is that going to convince this jury that she wasn't homicidal as well? Because she did drive all the way from Arkansas to the Tennessee house, but it seemed like she was calm at first and then everything just changed.
I think they're really trying to get to whether this was premeditated or, like you said, she, had these psychiatric issues that wasn't premeditated. She more or less just snapped.
So she has a gun. She just bought a gun, gets in her car, heads over to the old pastor's house with her gun. That's a tough one to get around. Maybe if she does take the stand and come up with a real inside play-by-play of what's going on in her head, but to me, that's the one thing that is very difficult to get around, the premeditation. Why'd you buy the gun the day before you shot somebody?
As a defense attorney, you have to take the facts that you were given and come up with the best defense. But that is a very valid point. Why, that does kind of scream premeditation when you go out and buy a gun and then drive that distance. It does take away from that snap reaction. But if she was in some sort of psychosis at that time, which is where I think they're going with this testimony, that is the best defense you potentially have with these facts that we've been given.